For the midpoint of a segment exercise, we first have to remember that a midpoint is the exact middle of a segment. So if we know that the midpoint is the exact middle, let's take a look at what other information we're given here. We know that AB is 7x plus 6, and we know that BC is 8x plus 4. We're asked to find AC, so we want to find the length all the way from A to C. Now we know that B is the midpoint of AC. So we know that B is the exact middle. If B is the exact middle, then we know that AB has to equal BC. If we know that these two things are equal, we can just write down our equation using the expressions that are given for AB and BC. So if AB is 7x plus 6, and we know that has to equal BC, which is 8x plus 4, we now have an equation that we can use to solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides of my equation. I've got 6 equals x plus 4. I can subtract 4 from both sides of my equal sign, which tells me that x is equal to 2. I can now plug that x value in for my expressions. So 7 times 2 plus 6, well 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 plus 6 is 20. So AB would be 20. Okay. 8 times 2 plus 4. So 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is also 20. We expect to get the same value since B is in fact the midpoint. The two sides should be equal. So if AB is 20 and BC is 20, we want to find AC. So we just add those two together. So 20 plus 20 gives me 40 units. So AC in this case is 40 units.